Marhaban and welcome back to Arabic with Dima. In today's lesson, we will be exploring two more Arabic consonants, Mim and Noon. As always, we will learn how to read each letter and how to write them separately and within a word. So the first one is Mim, ma, ma, ma. And the next one is Noon, na, na, na. Now let's start with the articulation of each one. First, Mim is pronounced through closing the two lips together and letting the air or the sound come out through the nasal cavity. And it's very similar to the M sound in English. Now let's practice reading these letters with the long and short vowels. Starting with Mim, ma, mu, mi. These are the long vowels, and now the short ones. Ma, mu, and mi. Noon is pronounced by placing the tip of the tongue on the upper gum, and the sound also passes through the nose, just like the N sound in English. Now Noon, na, nu, ni. These are the long vowels, and now the short ones. Na, nu, and ni. Great. Now let's move on to how to write them separately. To write Mim, start with a small circle and then a short line to the left and then all the way down. You may also check the arrows here. Circle left and then down. Let's do it one more time. Just like that. And Noon is even simpler. It's just a small curve like a shallow ball with a dot inside. You may also check the arrows here. Just a curve, small one, and then don't forget the dot. Let's do it one more time. Now let's see how they're written within a word. Here's the rule. If no letter comes after, we keep Mim and Noon in the original shape. But if there's a letter after, we must change the form a little. Meaning, in Mim, we just drop the last part of it, which is the line down there. And when it comes to Noon, we make it just like two short straight lines. One from up to down and the other one from right to left. And don't forget the dot. Let's take some examples. First, when there's nothing after the letter. In the word qalam, we end with Mim, so it stays the same. Same here in Mizan, as we ended with Noon, and there's nothing after, so it stays unchanged. Now let's look at some examples with letters after. In mouse, we start with Mim, and it's followed by a Waw, so we connected and changed the form. As you can see, we dropped the last part. So also here in Nar, we've started with Noon, and it's followed by Alif. So we changed the drawing into two short lines, one from up to down and then one from right to left. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more and wada'an.